Hello students, I hope you might have seen my previous video of the chapter square and square root. Let us proceed. Now, today we are going to cover the pages 93 to 96. Pages 93 to 96. You can see these pages. This is 94. Now, expressing square numbers as sum of successive odd starting from 1. Now, let us see odd numbers. It is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. Now, let us see how we can express square numbers as sum of successive odd numbers starting from 1. Let us take the example 3 square. We can write 3 square as 1 plus 3 plus 5. 1, 2, 3. We have taken 3 consecutive odd numbers and the answer is 9. You know that 3 square is 9. Now see, let us take the another one, 4 square. That is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have taken 4 odd numbers. 4 square, we have taken consecutive 4 odd numbers. And the answer is 9 plus 7, that is 16. Take another one. 7 square will be equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. Answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have taken 7. You will add it and we will find it out that it is 49. Right? Similarly, you can find out the square of any numbers. The conclusion is that if the number cannot be expressed as the sum of successive odd numbers starting from 1, that means it is not a perfect square. Right? Now come to the second one. Square of any odd numbers. Square of any odd numbers can be expressed as sum of consecutive natural numbers. Suppose I want to find out the square of n square. It is an odd number. It will be the sum of two consecutive natural numbers, that will be n square plus 1 upon 2 and n square minus 1 upon 2. Suppose we take 7 square. 7 square will be equal to, the two odd numbers will be 7 square, n square is 7 square means 49 plus 1 upon 2 and 49 minus 1 upon 2. Let us see what we'll get. 50 upon 2 and it is 48 upon 2. That means 7 square is equal to 25 plus 24. You know that it is right? I think you have understood. Now let us take one more number, such as 3 square. 3 square should be equal to 3n square plus 1, that is 9 plus 1 by 2 and 9 minus 1 by 2, that is 10 by 2 and here 8 by 2. Therefore 3 square is equal to 5 plus 4. You know it is 9. I hope you have understood. Now let us take another thing. Numbers between square numbers. Now suppose we take n square and n plus 1 square. The number of the total numbers between the square of these two numbers will be 2n. Let me take the small example. N square means suppose 4 square and n plus 1 square is suppose 5 square. How many numbers should be there? 16 and here 25. The total numbers between these two squares should be 2n, means 2 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 8. Now let us count the numbers between it. We will get 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. But you can't take 25. You can't take 16 because we are talking about the numbers between n square and n plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We get 8 numbers. Clear? Should we take one more example? Let us take one more example such as 10 square and 11 square. Total number should be 2 into n, that means 2 into 10, that means it should be 20. Right? So let us see, it is 100, it is 121. 121 will not be included. So you know that numbers between 100 and 121 are 20 only. I hope you have understood. Now let us see finding squares of a number without actual multiplication. In the normal case, we used to suppose take the example 32 square. We used to write 32 multiplied by 32 and we used to find out the answer. Now let us see one more method in which we can find out without even multiplying it. 32 can be written as 30 plus 2. 32 square will be written as 30 plus 2 whole square. You know it means 32 into 32, that means 30 plus 2 multiplied by 30 plus 2. Now this 30 should be multiplied by this whole and this 2 should be multiplied by again this. 30 will be multiplied by 30, then it will be multiplied by 2, that will be equal to 30 multiplied by 30 will be 900. 30 multiplied by 2 will be 60. Then 2 multiplied by 30 and again 2 multiplied by 2. That means 60 plus 2 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 4. Answer should be 900 plus this is 120, 124. Answer should be 1024. I hope you have understood. Let me give you one more example of this kind. Suppose take 54. 54 can be written as 50 plus 4 into 50 plus 4. That is equal to 50 will be multiplied by 50 once and then by 4. Then we will take 4 multiplied by 50 and then 4 multiplied by 4. That is 2500. Then 50 multiplied by 50 we got 2500. Then 50 multiplied by 4 will be 200. 4 multiplied by 50 will again be 200. And 4 multiplied by 4 will be 16. That is equal to 2500 plus this is 400 and this is 416. That is equal to 16. This will be 9 and this will be 2. This is the answer. This is the method by which we can find out the square of the numbers without actual multiplication. I hope you have understood. Now you can test your knowledge gained today by doing the worksheet based on the today's teaching. So I will give you the worksheet followed by this video.